For nearly 20 years, ICL has been managing the Surya and Saient potash mines. This is the only potash production company in Spain, and its business activity is one of the main economic motors of central Catalonia. The potash and part of the salt extracted are sold, while the remaining salt is stored for future use and consumption. The Phoenix Plan has enabled the company to put the highest quality vacuum salt on the world markets as of this year 2016. With an investment of 450 million euros in the first two phases, the Phoenix Plan is a great opportunity for the industrial growth of central Catalonia. ICL is committed to excellence in environmental management and is constantly improving its processes to care for nature and its ecosystems. The management of the water that reaches El Cogollo salt deposit is an essential part of ICL's environmental protection policy. ICL takes all the necessary measures to ensure environmental sustainability. Hydrodynamics have taught us about the way water behaves when it comes into contact with a salt deposit. Through the years, the nucleus has undergone a crystallization process, becoming completely waterproof. The water slides over the most superficial area of the mountain and collects in the encircling perimeter canal. Part of the water that runs through the internal waterproofed layer runs into the same canal. The other part of that water, following the incline of the natural valley, runs down into the lower drains. If, along its path, the water runs into limestone veins, which have certain permeability, it is intercepted by means of collection wells and then transported to the collection pond. From there, it flows into the brine collector. ICL has a system designed to collect the water from the salt deposit and guarantee its total control. The company has installed a waterproofed canal that runs along the mountain, collecting the salt water. A second parallel canal channels the fresh water to keep it from coming into contact with the salt water. A pump system at the lowest points in the system then transports the water to the salt deposit collection dam. The underground water piezometric control network allows the company to monitor the circulation of the underground water and, if necessary, to extract it. Geological studies enable the detection of any water that might circulate through a limestone vein. In such cases, that water is extracted and redirected to the collection dam. From there, each year, 250 million litres of water are evacuated through a canal system to the brine collector, which is owned by the Catalan Water Agency and managed by an officially authorised company. The collector transports the water to the treatment plant at El Prat. ICL pays its part for the use and amortization of the brine collector, as do all the other companies that use it. ICL only accounts for around 15% of the total volume of the water that runs through the final section of the collector. ICL is the first mining company to obtain prestigious international certificates for quality, environment, and occupational hazard prevention and health. The company invests around 10 million euros a year in environmental measures and systems just to protect nature. ICL is steadfast in its commitment to uphold its environmental policies and to continue to work with the public institutions to improve the environment and ensure a sustainable future. At ICL, we are committed to the environment and we are sustainable.